Hi, this tutorial is about how to bring human generator animated character into Marvelous Designer for cloth simulation and output clothes animations back to Blender. Alright, let's get started. First, we select the character, click Generate New Human to load the character, then pull out a window and choose Timeline. Next, we are going to create a pose animation. No matter what kind of pose we want to make, we need to ensure that the first frame is the default A pose, because in Marvelous Designer we need to dress the character first before doing other poses. So we use this pose to dress up. Once we understand the reason, we select the character's bone. Then we go to the top left corner of the window, find Mode, and switch to Pose Mode. After that, press A to select all bones. Then press I key. We see a dot lighting up on the timeline, which means we have recorded this pose. Now we drag the timeline to frame 50. At this point, we need to switch Pose Mode to Object Mode. Find the Human Generator panel, click Pose, and choose one pose we want to use. Like this one. Switch back to Pose Mode. Press A to select all bones, then press I to set a keyframe. If we move the timeline, we can see we have an animation from A pose to yoga pose. Of course, we can continue adding more poses, such as at frame 100 add another pose using the same process. We can also make pose in pose mode by ourselves with the same workflow for keyframe. Okay, it feels enough once back in object mode. Quick File, Export, select Alembic, and export without changing anything. Now in Marvelous Designer, choose File, Import, Alembic, and pick the file we saved earlier. Here some modifications are needed. In Scale, choose CM. Change the percentage to 10,000. Click OK, and the character will be imported. We can use this character as an avatar for creating clothes. When the clothes are made and placed properly in 3D pattern window, click Simulate to dress the character. Once dressed, click the record button. We see the simulation is running. You can adjust the clothes anytime at the simulation. When we get the result that we want, we can export it. Choose File, Export, select Alembic. At Export panel, we choose what we need. These are usually my choices. Click OK and wait. Back in Blender, choose File, Import, select Alembic. Change the scale on the right side to 0.01 and load the clothes we created. Let's drag the timeline to check. Yes, this is what I wanted. If you are a concept artist, may only need one frame for concept sketching. Just click on the clothes at the desired frame, right-click and convert to mesh. Thanks for watching. More tutorials and valuable content are on the way. See you next time.